Our next topic is parking and holding documents. Okay, I will go back. Okay, I will go and post the customer invoice. Open the customer invoice screen, yeah, by using the transaction code FP70. Okay, choose the customer. London Motors UK and 8/11/2014. You can see in the screen two options, hold and park. Now the difference between holding and parking documents, uh, the logic is the same, but there is a huge difference in both options. Hold document, the first difference is for when you hold a document, you have to give the external name. Yeah, you have to choose the number or name for the document yourself. That's the first thing. You can delete both documents. You can delete hold documents, you can delete park documents. If you delete the hold documents, there is no record for the holding documents, yeah, but there will be a record saved if you delete the park document. Okay, now when we hold the document, for example, we are posting the invoice, yeah. Suddenly we are interrupted during the posting. For example, it is possible that you receive the phone call, yeah, you have got the phone call, or your manager is there, or you are not sure the information you are giving in the document is correct or not, yeah, is right or wrong. So in that case, to be on the safe side, you hold the document. The same concept is for the parking document, but parking document, if you park a document, it is for sure that you know that this business uh, transaction will be completed 100%. Yeah, the customer will, you do trust on the customer. Whole document, you also do that if the customer is new and you are not sure whether the customer will go in and pay for your products, or maybe he will change his mind and doesn't come back. Yeah, so instead of uh, process the document by using the parking option, you hold the document until the customer comes back and tells you, okay, he is ready for the product and he will pay. So we use the word in SAP probability. Yeah, if the customer is 100% probability, or it is a regular customer, then you simply park the document. Yeah,
In parking, do we give them any name or number or just
in parking document, now I'm coming at that point. Yeah, in holding we give the number ourselves, yeah, number or name of the document ourselves, but in parking document the real number range sequence is used.
yeah,
Okay, the for example, when we post the document, yeah, the last document we posted today was 18,012.
sure.
Yeah, so when we park the document, so the number range will be 18,013. So that is the main big difference between parking and holding. The original number range, the original number will be allocated to the park documents, yeah, as we do posting. But the difference is, in parking we can delete the park document, but we cannot delete the posted document. We have to reverse the document. Yeah, so park document is easier to delete it. Okay, whole documents can also be deleted. Yeah, but instead of wasting your number ranges, yeah, if you are not sure whether the customer comes back, then you then you better hold the document instead of park the documents.
Can I ask a question? Right. In this case, if you park a document, a number range, the next number range is picked up.
Yeah,
Because it's all probabilities in it.
yeah,
And you are sure that they will pay, but it comes, I don't want to pay anymore.
yeah. Then you delete it.
You delete it. It's
Yeah.
going to delete a number range as well, or the number.
No, number range will be allocated to the deleted park document. You can trace it.
So you still be able to trace it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can track the park document, but you cannot.
When you get the report, it will mention.
You'll be mentioned.
That's
But that's not good.
So you cannot trace the held document. So it's better to hold it. Yeah, if you are not sure whether the information
It
you're
will
giving
be
is right or
okay
wrong.
when we park the document.
Yeah.
Suppose today we park the document,
Yeah.
and we say okay, like we will post it and like one day before end of the month.
Yeah.
So the date of the posting will be that date or
Yeah, same
today's
date, same whatever information you will put on the park document will be the same.
Okay, not as the saving.
No. When you
Because
post
put
it,
the posting that's there.
posting date will be 8th of November. Either you post it later on.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, because posting date is mentioned there. Yeah, as you can see here, posting date.
No,
Yeah.
I thought like posting date is when you
No,
save it.
No, you need to
Post
say.
is just the click on the post button, and the document status will be updated. Document status will become a legal document.
Okay.
Okay, park document or whole document is not a legal document. Yeah. Now, park document, another benefit to use parking document is that you can claim taxes on parking documents. You haven't posted them, but you can still send the information of the park documents to HM Revenue and Custom and claim taxes. Okay.
So if you're disputing on an invoice, can you do that? Can you hold it and park it?
Hmm?
If you're disputing on an invoice.
No, you
Endless
cannot
invoice.
reverse the invoice. You cannot.
No,
You cannot reverse the status from the posted document to park document, but you can update it from park to post, not post to park.
No, I'm saying if you're disputing an
Yeah.
invoice, a vendor invoice,
Yeah,
Yeah, then
Can
you
that-
can park.
can that be parked? Yeah.
yeah, it can be parked exactly. Yeah. Some companies are very careful, and instead of using the post option for the documents, first time they park the documents, and the higher manager who has got the authority, he looks the document, approves it, and then posts it.
Yeah, that will.
So that is the actually real business process. Yeah. So that is the concept behind hold and park document. Yeah. So first I will show you how hold document works. Yeah. So let's say I'm gonna hold this document. I have entered, let's say, 6,000, and this transaction is for 7,000. Now I don't know how much tax I have to calculate. What should be the tax code? Yeah, for this document. Yeah, the manager is off. What I will do, I will hold the document. Yeah, I will click on hold. The system will not tell me that I have missed the tax code. As you see, temporary document number. Yeah, so I will just mention here, let's say Rana 01, and click hold document, and the document Rana 01 was held. Now next day I come back. Yeah, I come back, I go into FP70, and I am here. Yeah, so now in order to retrieve the held document, you have two options. Either you go to edit and click on select held document. Yeah, I choose from here, or click on tree on, click tree on, and you have the option here, held documents. Yeah, if you click this button, you have held documents here. Yeah, now if I double click on that, so if applicable, reset the tax reporting country. Yeah, because the tax code is missing. Yeah, continue, and then tree off, and now I will start the process where I stopped. Yeah, and then I will double click on that, choose the tax code, go back, and then I will simulate, and as normal, you know, okay, click calculate tax, simulate, and then you can post. Yeah, so that is the way for holding and then posting the document. Yeah.
Okay. Can we first hold it?
And delete it.
No.
uh,
Then we park it, and then we post
yeah,
it.
yeah, you can do it. Yeah. Like, okay, let's say the second document I will post, and the GL document 6000, and this one, let's say it's for, okay, I will do the vendor invoice. Yeah, FV60. Let's say 01011. Today is 8. I will post into the previous month. Yeah. I'm doing this because of our next topic here.
11.
Oops. Okay. $5,000, and let's say 20,000, and it is V9. Yeah. So first of all, you can delete it. Yeah, like you have hold the document. Temporary document number, okay, was held. Yeah, and click on tree on held document. Double click on that, tree off, and you can delete this document by simply click on delete held document. Yeah. And then which one? Rana 02, enter, and the document was deleted. Okay, now I will show you how we park the document. Yeah, so your question is if the document is held, so if you wanna park it. Yeah, so the same logic. Okay, I have deleted it, but I will use the same settings and do the third whole document. Yeah? So was held. Yeah, so now this document is held, so very simply I will use the same document, tree off, and then park it, enter, and now you will see the document number. Yeah, it is for the vendor. Yeah, because it is vendor, so 19,008 is the real document number range. Yeah, so it is picked up by the system from the, and similarly if you want to check the customer. Yeah, because we know the customer number range, so the next customer number range you think is 18,013. Yeah, so let's check. Okay, park. Okay, 18,014. Yeah, maybe 18,013 is we have used. Yeah, so create new entry and go to FPL 5N. Yeah, 18,013 we are using. So the next one is 18,014. In order to check the parked documents, so we will go into the parked items, yeah, and then execute, and you will see 12,000, yeah. Similarly, you can see the park document for vendor FPL1N and the one we process it. Parked items, execute, and that's the one, yeah, 19,008. So you can see the list of all the park documents by using the document, by using the type option, yeah. So now I wanna
Save.
post this document, yeah, or delete this document, yeah. So I'm already in the vendor invoice, yeah. So I am planning to post this park document 19,008. So how I will retrieve it?
Tree on.
Trail.
Yeah.
Uh, oh no, you're in the vendor.
So no, it doesn't matter.
We have
Yeah.
We have park document for vendor.
We're looking for park document.
Yeah, we have to looking for like held documents. We have a folder here. Yeah.
Yeah.
But we don't have the folder for park document. So how we will retrieve the park document?
check
there,
the
document.
documents or something.
Yeah. Let's
Oh,
say,
Document.
yeah. We have
Spark,
park option, but we
Okay.
don't have select park document. Yeah. We have select held document, but park document option is not activated. Yeah. So what we will do then? Okay, we will go back.
Give them the transaction number.
No, park documents has got the full family. If you go to financial accounting and let's say accounts payable or accounts receivable, okay, and click on document entry, so you will see here folder document parking. Yeah, click this button. So for invoice FB60 and for parking directly FV60. So, okay, so this is the difference. Invoice parking general, parking edit credit memo, even credit memo can be parked as well. Yeah, so this is the general credit memo parking transaction code. So you have to use this transaction code FV60 to post the park document. Now if you click on tree on, so then you can see the park documents. Yeah, click this button and that's the document number. Double click on that and your settings will be commit tree off. So now you have again one option. You can edit it. For example, maybe some information is missing. Yeah, so text is missing, so you can enter here engine. Yeah, engine, and click on save as completed.
Well, can you change the amount at this point?
Yes, you can change.
You can see.
You can change the amount as well if you want.
Okay.
Yeah. So okay, let's say posting balance 0, save as completed, and the document is save as completed. Yeah. Now
Because the same document.
same document. Yeah. Next time if I click on tree on, so this will not be into the park document, this will be into the complete documents. Click on complete documents and then double click on that. The naming convention is your company code, the document number, and the fiscal year. Tree off, and that's the document number which is already allocated. Yeah. So yeah, you can change the amount if you want. Let's say 25,000. Yeah, enter, and balance the amount. Yeah, and if you want to post, you can simply post it. Yeah. Yeah, that's the post button. This is not the post button because you are in the parking screen. Yeah. So the if you click this button, the document will be parked again. Yeah. So if you will want to post, so that's the post button. Yeah. So click on post and the document will be posted. Okay. Similarly, if you want to delete the document, if I want to delete the document, let's say 5,000, and the amount in the document, let's say it is 10,000. Go back, simulate. Okay, I'm in the parking invoice here. So I'm gonna first I park it, and now click on tree on, and this document number is 19,009. Yeah, tree off, and click on document and delete park document. Yeah, click on delete park document. So this will be deleted. Yeah, 19,009 was deleted. Yeah. So now if I go to FB03 to display the document, yeah, and I will enter here 19,009, and want us display this document, to check the status of this document, I will press enter, and what is the information I have? No line item. Yeah, so information is document status is
Deleted.
park document which was deleted. So this number 19,009 will not be allocated to the next document. 19,010 will be the next document.
Because it was allocated to it.
Parking
and
document.
then it will delete it, so it's gone.
Exactly, that's right.
Yeah, okay.
So that is the concept of the held and parked document. Yeah. So I'm gonna stop the recording.